Hello students, today I am going to teach you about inductance. You should know what inductance is. Inductance is the property of an element which opposes the flow of current or flux. You should know what flux is. Flux is any force of line. It can be electrical lines of force or it can be magnetic lines of force. When you have a coil with only one turn, and when there is a current passing through the coil, there will be a flux linked with the coil, or I can also call it as an EMF induced into the coil. EMF is electromotive force. The other name of EMF is voltage, which opposes the flow of current. So the unit of inductance is Henry, and inductance is defined as the ratio of flux linkage to the current through the coil. And it is also termed as there is a term called as Weber turns. Weber turn refers to the product of flux phi. Always flux is denoted by phi, and the number of turns n of a coil. So now you can see inductance L is equal to n phi by I. Phi is the flux. Phi is the flux, and n is the number of turns, so it is n phi divided by I. Now you can see V is equal to L into di by dt. You should know how you are getting V is equal to L into di by dt. I told you V is equal to is directly proportional to the rate of change of flow of current. When I call this rate of change, it is d by dt of I. So V is proportional to I. V is your voltage. Can you see this? V is proportional to di by dt. Now whenever I have your proportionality sign, directly proportional, I need to introduce a constant. So V is equal to L into di by dt. L into di by dt. Can you see that? L into di by dt, where L is your inductance. Now from this I need to tell you how to find I. I is equal to, I am bringing this L to the other side, so it is V by L. V by L, and you know inverse of integration is, inverse of differentiation is your integration, so V by L into dt, or I can write it as I is equal to 1 by L into integral of V dt. And you can see the energy formula, energy is equal to W is equal to half into Li square. These formulas you have to be thorough so that you can apply it and find the answer.